Question 9. Welcome back. Given the plane pi, x minus 2y minus z equals 4, and the line L, x minus 2 on 3 equals y plus 4 on 1 equals z minus 1 on negative 1, find A, the sine of the acute angle between pi and L. B, the vector equation of the plane which is normal to the line L and contains the points 2, 3, 1. 6 marks. Sub 2. A linear transformation of points in three-dimensional space is defined by the matrix M, where M calls that matrix. Under this transformation, find the image of the point on this given line. Hello and welcome to our channel. If this is your first time to the channel, make sure you hit on the subscription button and followed by the notifications bell. If you don't do this too, you might not be able to enjoy all our content because some can only be seen by those who have subscribed, which is equally free to subscribe. And if you don't click on the notifications bell, you will not be notified when you have uploaded a new content. So it's very important to do this too. Secondly, it will also be very important if you can share this content to other WhatsApp groups, Facebook, and wherever you find yourself to help other students and teachers, because you are benefiting from the sacrifice of other students and teachers. So make sure you equally help out so that you can be an ambassador of this channel to help other students prepare their exams. God bless you as prepare your exam, and don't forget that if you need the complete solutions for these past questions, please click on the link below and we will discuss about it. We equally need chemistry paper 3. We have some, but we are in short supply, so students are actually in need. Those who have helped in what you are enjoying now, some of them are also in need. So please, we know you are doing arts, but you can still send out a helping hand. Now, let's hit this question big. In this question, the A part says find the sine of the acute angle between pi and L. Okay, sine of the acute angle between pi and L. So to find the sine of the acute angle between a line and a plane, we need the normal to the plane and we equally need the direction vector of the line. In this case, we have been given our plane as x minus 2y minus z equals 4 and the line as x minus 2 on 3 is equal to y plus 4 on 1 is equal to z minus 1 on negative 1, which is equal to lambda. There's not give lambda in the equation, but we know this is equal to lambda, okay? Now, we need the normal to this plane and the direction vector of this line. For the direction vector of the line, we can just get the denominators. All these denominators give us the direction vector. The I value is 3, the J value is 1, the K value is negative 1. Now, for the normal to the plane, the coefficients of x, y, and z gives us the normal to the plane, okay? This line can be rewritten as 2, negative 4, plus 1, plus lambda into 3, 1, negative 1. The normal to the plane is 1 minus 2 minus 1. Direction vector of the line is 3, 1, negative 1. Okay? So now we have all these values. So the angle, let the angle between the line and the plane and the normal to the plane be A. From here, sine A is the absolute value of the dot product of the line, line's direction and normal to the plane, all that on the magnitudes of the product of line and plane, okay? The product of the magnitudes. So this will give us, for the normal to the plane, the modulus is root 6. For the direction of the line, the modulus is root 11. The dot product of n and z is 2. Therefore, the sine of the angle is the absolute value of 2 on root 6, root 11, okay? So, the next part, the B passage, you find the vector equation of the plane, which is normal to the line L and contains the points 2, 3, 1. This is the B part now. To find the equation of a plane that is normal to the line L in this question and passes through the points 2, 3, 1. Line, what does that tell you? It means the direction of the line is equal to the normal of that plane. In this case, our line here has a direction 3, 1, negative 1. Okay, the vector equation of a plane which is normal to the line L, because it's the same line L that I've given us here. And what's the direction of this line L? Is 3, 1, negative 1. They are telling us that the direction of this line is normal to the plane that we want to look for. It's normal to the plane we want to look for. And if it is normal to that plane, therefore means that this direction of this line is the normal to that plane. And using the equation r dot n equals OA dot n, so r dot n is equal to OA dot n. Okay, and our r here is just a vector x, y, z. Our n is this 3, 1, negative 1. Our OA is these points that are giving us 2, 3, 1. Okay, so here r dot 3I plus j minus k is equal to the points 2, 3, 1 dot 3, 1 minus 1. And the dot product of 3, 1 minus 1, and this is going to give us 8. So therefore, we have r dot 3I plus j minus k equals 8. So this is the equation of the plane which is normal to this line and passes through the points 3, 1, and minus 1. Now, sub 2 of the equation says, sub 2, a linear transformation of points in three-dimensional space is defined by the matrix M. Okay? Using this transformation, find the image of the points on the line, this line that I've given us here. So here, for sub 2, they've given us the line I plus 2j minus k plus lambda into I minus j minus k. So I've rewritten the line in this form, just like I show you how to write this other one, okay? So now they want us to find what? The image of this line, okay? So how do you find the image of a line? We can just pre-multiply the line by what? By the matrix of transformation. So in this case, this is the matrix of transformation, and this is the line. So we have 1, 2, minus 1, and for the lambda values, we have lambda, minus lambda, okay? So we have 1, 2, minus 1, and have lambda, minus lambda, minus lambda. We expand this, we are going to have the point 3, 6, 3, and all these other ones are zeros, right? So the image of this line will just be L prime, which is R prime equals 3I plus 6j plus 3k, because here our lambda is equal to 0, okay? The lambda prime we're going to have there is 0, okay? The second way is to find 2 points on this line. So for the first point, to consider when lambda is equal to 0. When lambda equals 0, we just have 1, 2, minus 1. 1, 2, minus 1. We consider another point where lambda is equal to 1. When lambda equals 1, we are going to have 1 plus, that's I plus I, 2I, j minus j, 1j, and minus k, minus 2k. So this is the second point when lambda equals 1. We now transform these 2 points using this matrix of transformation. That's going to give us 3, 6, 3 and 3, 6, 3. So now we form the equation of the line passing through these 2 points. The points are the same, right? So the equation will just be the point A prime, which has 3, 6, 3, and B prime 3, 6, 3 will just be, here our z will be equal to 0 as well, just like we saw previously, and it will just be R prime equals 3I plus 6j plus 3k. So you can use any of these 2 methods. Thank you so much for watching, and if you need the complete solution to these papers from 2011 to 2023 or 2015 to 2023, click the link below and we will send it to you on WhatsApp, and you can send whatever payments you are being asked for. Secondly, if you are interested equally in having solutions for other subjects and so on, make sure you are subscribed to this channel and click on the links below to follow the other contents we have uploaded. Go through our channel and search our website and you'll see more of this content. Lastly, we are pleading with you, because you are benefiting from the hard work, from the sacrifice of other students and teachers for this content that has been produced. There are students who are actually in need of chemistry paper 3 so they can use it to prepare for their exams. We have just few, and we are playing on you. We know you are an art student, yes, but you have friends who are doing science. Contact those your friends to help give us these questions. Click on the links below and you can send in PDF format, in the form of picture or whatever, so that we can share with these students and help them prep their exams, because you're enjoying equally from the sacrifice of others. Please, before you go, Give us a thumbs up, that's a like, leave a comment, and make sure you share this video to not less than 10 WhatsApp groups if you really love what we are doing. If you cannot do that, it means you don't appreciate what we are doing. God bless you as you prepare for your exams. Bye bye.